Hey guys, Varmate here. How you all doing? And as you all know that PS5 Pro is going to launch today in across the globe. India, there is still no release date officially, but now since PS season and console season is around the corner, people will be looking for some great headphones to go with the PS5 that you just purchased. So I believe which is a better headphone than the one from the company which makes the console itself, which is Sony. So this is basically the unboxing and the initial impressions, and I'll also show how to connect this particular headphone with your PS5. And this is basically the Pulse Elite from Sony. This is the upgraded version to the Pulse, which was launched along with the original PS5 way back. And I think this has wonderful reviews online, and this is how the box looks. It's a pretty big box by today's standard. As you can see, there is an image of that headset right there, and on the right side there are some informations. Again, this is a pretty big box, and as you see on the back over here, these are the headphones which are made for PS5 specifically. There are magnetic drivers. There is a PlayStation Link, the dongle which I'll show you. This is Bluetooth compatible. Here it shows up to 20 hours of battery life. There is a retractable mic, and there are intuitive controls right on the headphones as well. And without further ado, let's go begin with the unboxing of this. I'll try to remove all this over here. Yeah, so this is how you remove the box, and this is what you see in the box over here. So this is a very neatly put together manual for how to begin this particular installation. So let's just remove this right now. This is a really nice use of the cardboard. Here you see how you basically start this particular headphone for the very first time. So this is very nice. I think everybody should go through this once you get the headphones. So keeping this on the side over here, this is the actual headset right in the box in front of us. So we'll remove the protective covers which are there on the headphone itself. So yeah, as you can see guys, these are the headphones. They look really nice. There is some protective cover for the cups as well. So let's just remove them. And yes, so this is what the actual headphones look like. They look really good. We'll keep them on the side for a very short time to see what else is there in the box. So here we can see this is the dongle that goes in your PlayStation, and this is USB type A. I'm really surprised why this is not type C, since the new PS5 Slim console has type C in the front. And these are very neat details. As you can see, the XO buttons are engraved over here. This is looking really nice, and this is what will enable the PlayStation Link for you to play games with very low latency. So this is extremely important. I'll just show it to you when I'll be connecting this for the very first time to the PS console. So I'll keep this on the side, and let's see what else is there in the box. So as we know here, these are some, well, this is a very hefty booklet which is like a manual. I'll keep it on the side as well. And another thing that we get over here is basically this is the charging cable. This is type A to type C, so you can also charge the headphone with this. And last but not the least, so this is the accessory that comes in the box. Again, now this is for keeping this particular headset if you want to charge it while it is hanging on this particular element which is there. It's really nice that Sony has included it right in the box, and we just keep it on the wall like this. And there is you have to screw it basically. So you can also use double-sided tape if you want to be very creative, but this is one, again, a very nice touch given by Sony. This is basically how it will go on this, and when it is hanging on the wall, so to keep your entire setup neat and clean. So yeah guys, this is what all we get in the box. So now taking a look at the actual headphones themselves, they look really nice and futuristic. I would say the design is really good. We have this PlayStation logo over here on the left side and right side as well, and the cushion to this particular cups are really nice, extremely soft. I would say I think this will be really comfortable, and this is the band which will adjust according to the size of your head. and here are the charging connectors for the hanging stand which is there, that has come from with the headphones itself. Looking around, I would say this headphones look really minimalistic. There is the power button, volume rockers over here. There's a USB type C for charging. There's a 3.5 mm headphone jack, and this is the power button right here on the right side of the headphones. And on the left over here, as you can see, this is the retractable mic. So this is also again having that exo mark over here, and there is a button on this itself and an LED to actually see if your mic is on or off. So really nice design, I would say. Really looks really comfortable, looks really futuristic, and this is wireless. So we expect that with the PlayStation Link technology which is there using this dongle, these headphones are going to be having very low latency, especially for those games, multiplayer online games like COD and PUBG. This is what is required, and I think it is really premium in terms of materials which are used. And let's just begin to connect this headphone with the console for the very first time. So what you have to do to begin this particular connection with the headset with the PS5 is you have to attach the dongle that comes with it on the back of the PS5, as it is a USB type A adapter. And after you're done connecting, you have to connect the headphones with a wire, USB type C wire, with your PS5, and then there is an update that will happen. Initially when you connect, you have to let that update complete, and post that your headsets will be connected to your PS5. For some reason my video was not working when I was doing all these connections, so this is an abrupt way of showing you that how the device is getting connected with the PS5. And as you can see, Pulse Elite wireless update, software update has been completed. So I'll just move ahead. So okay, so according to this, now the headphones are connected, and we'll see it right here if I'm not wrong. So if I click over here, okay, I just see the dual wireless controller. Hang on. Yeah guys, so as you can see, the headphones are connected to the PS5 right now, and this is what the screen looks like when you connect it for the very first time. And when we get started, now this is the initial screen which is explaining all the controls which are there on your headset, which is really nice. When you click on next, it is showing what options are available for customization and connectivity options with your headsets. Going to the next screen over here, now this is what you see once your headphone is connected. You can see their Pulse Elite wireless headset which is connected along with the PS Link USB adapter which is present. Now nice thing about this is that you also see the battery health of this particular headset as well right on your TV, which is really cool, and this is what it looks like. And yeah guys, this was the initial setup of the Pulse Elite headset for PS5. I will do extensive review of this particular headset and use it for some time before giving my full review. So stay tuned on the channel. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will definitely give you my comment